Okay. So we recently ordered some. My wife and I ordered some shades from SelectBlinds.com, and you can see here we ordered the honeycomb shades with a cordless lift system. And anyway, so we've been working here, we've been working here for the last hour or so, just trying to figure out how to mount these shades. And it's been a little bit troublesome, but I just wanted to, I think we have figured this out, but I wanted to show you exactly what we did. So here is the mounting hardware that was included with the shades. And you can see just a couple of simple brackets, some screws, and here's the shade itself. This is the front with the rounded edge here on top. Here's the back. And so to install the brackets, what you have to do is these click into place. So some of the other videos that I've watched on installing this hardware, it doesn't really show, with this particular bracket anyway, it doesn't show how it clicks into place. But what you'll do is you'll see that this is the back edge of the front end, and you've got your hardware here. So your hardware is oriented so that you've got this piece, this lip here, that's going to fit into this space. You can see here there's a narrow gap in the hardware. You're going to fit this in, and you're just going to push it all the way in, and then just let it rest. Here you can hold it into place, and then we just push it down, and you push it down until you hear it click. And I can go ahead and I can lift this up here and show you again. So you fit this metal bracket into the space and then push it down until you hear it click. And you'll see that there are teeth here on the bracket. Here, I'll show you with this bracket here. There are teeth here and here, and there is another tooth here on the back, and those are meant to clip into place. So one more time, we'll just go here to the other side once again, and we just slip this in and then push down until we hear it clip into place or click. And you can see now this hardware, that's how it's supposed to go. So this is just an instructional video as to how this is supposed to, how the bracket sits within the shade. Now what you're going to want to do is obviously remove the bracket, and you're going to want to we're installing this inside of our window, inside the window, so inside the sill. So we're going up and we're putting two screws up here, and you can have this sitting back about 3/8 of an inch, so that a little bit of this is exposed. Basically, you need enough clearance so that you're able to slip your shade under that edge onto the bracket, and then with just minimal effort you'll be able to clip that. Once again, you'll be able to clip that into place. One more time if I can do that. Sorry. Here we go. There we go, and then it'll just sit. And again, when you're installing this, that's very easy to click into place. But I don't know why Select Blinds doesn't post a video showing how to install with this particular kind of bracket. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward, and that's about it. Thank you.